welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is. Okay, y'all can tell by the title, right? Did y'all read the title? Or did y'all click on the thumbnail? Okay, we are making broccoli casserole. Yes, not your typical way. Y'all know how Yellow Diamond do it over here. It's always with a little twist. But we are making broccoli casserole. So let's get with it. Now, making this broccoli casserole, you will need a rotisserie chicken. Now, if you want to cook your own chicken, like your chicken breast, your chicken thighs, that's fine. But this is a quick recipe, right? We cutting corners over here. So you get your a rotisserie chicken that we're gonna debone. Yes, you need some pasta, macaroni pasta, some nacho cheese, mozzarella cheese, diamond dust. Bow, 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 bow. Yes. What else we got? Oh, we got broccoli. And we have all of the onions, bell pepper, celery, jalapeno pepper, green onions, and garlic. So back here we have two pots. We have one pot with water and salt, and we're going to bring that to the boil, and we're going to add the macaroni in it. Second pot here has water and salt, and I'm going to steam the broccoli a little bit. So in the meanwhile, let's debone the chicken. And we don't want any skin, just the meat. Okay, we got the broccoli on, steaming. And we just want the meat. See how that chicken is pink? That's why it's good when you get those rotisserie chickens. You finish cooking it at home. You can throw it in the air fryer. You can put it in the oven. You can boil it. Make sure you finish cooking those rotisserie chickens. Okay. Woo. So we got that all chopped up. Now, rotisserie chickens sometimes don't be seasoned well, right? So we're gonna season it up just a little with our diamond dust. Look to oil, just a little, because that's all we got is a little, right? A little olive oil, our vegetables. Minced garlic. I'm gonna add the chicken. Remember the seasoned chicken, the rotisserie chicken that I seasoned with diamond dust. Add that to the pan to bring out that flavor. Okay, you guys, here's the bowl. We're getting ready to mix. Get ready to stir it up. Bow, bow. Broccoli. I was gonna say put it all in there. Yeah, we gotta put it all. The chicken. Now this be some good chicken to make some tacos. Look at that. Right? Okay now. smells so good in here. Baby. The nacho cheese, please. I'm gonna start off with just half of it. Half of this. This is probably like about two cups of nacho cheese that I'm putting in. Hey, why not? Let's put it. Let's put it all. Y'all know me. Let's put it all. Why put half? Because baby, that's a lot of broccoli. That's a lot of chicken, and we still gotta add the pasta. Okay, y'all. Let's mix it. Let's kind of toss it around for now. We're gonna add the pasta. I'm glad I did add all that nacho cheese. About a cup of mozzarella cheese, or cheese of your choice. At the pasta. Hot. Everything is hot. And we're gonna stir that up. Ooh, ooh, yes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, you guys, we got our baking pan. Oil in the pan, baby. Oil in the pan. Now let's add our cheesy broccoli, rotisserie chicken casserole into the casserole pan. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. Sprinkle a little diamond dust on top, just a little. And sprinkle just a little meat on top. Meat and that good old season, just sprinkle it. Get some on there. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 400 degrees. I got the oven already set. It's been preheated, 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is golden, melted, and yummy. It is ready. Look at there. Look at there, look at there. Broccoli rotisserie chicken casserole. Don't that look good? I get a close up. Ooh. It's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Yes! But let's see if we got a little cheese pull. Let's just see what we got going on in the inside, right? We know the flavors are there because we tried it before we cooked it. That's where you'll know if it tastes good. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Y'all know I'm not gonna cook without tasting with y'all, right? So let's taste it. Woo. Okay, y'all. Y'all know I had to add something extra to this. Y'all see that? I got the onions, the raw onions, bell pepper, jalapeno. Then I got some pickled jalapenos, and I have some toast. So let's try it, y'all. Y'all know I'm not gonna cook without trying it with you all, right? Ooh. Ooh, my mouth is ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. Mm. Wow. So good, so flavorful. Taste that rotisserie chicken, the broccoli. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 Y'all, this is so yummy. Make sure you all subscribe, thumbs up, like, share this out. Try this recipe. If you want the recipe, comment below, say recipe. Well, I did the recipe, but I guess like the ingredients, like step by step, like how y'all asked about the egg fouillon. Y'all just gotta remind me. But yes, y'all, thank y'all for joining me. Have a great day.